Hey, my name is Bashir Senyondo from Hyperango Digital's Kampala, Uganda, and I'm here to give you a comparison between how we used to hand code websites then and now how these days we quickly develop and deploy websites using WordPress content management system. See, World Wide Web is not a very old phenomenon. If we can trace back, it's just here in 1922 when Barnsley did a first HTML web page. Since then, the industry has been changing, not for worse, but for better. If I got a website project 5 years back, the process was quite a complex one. Planning would take a long way, about 2 weeks, so that when I start coding, I already know what to link where. Then I would pull my HTML boilerplate code base and install even quite a number of used development software like Dreamweaver, Flash, Xampp, WAMP, and so many others. The curve was too steep. Showing something meaningful to the client would really take quite a couple of weeks, around 2 weeks, to show something. But now, thanks to WordPress development community, I don't need to install any software locally. My workflow is short. Delivering visual results to my web clients is faster than never before. If I got a website project these days, I simply buy a domain for my client, procure a hosting plan for my client, quickly install WordPress, install my favorite web builder plugin, that's Elementor, and I can give you something tangible and visible just within a day. I can easily flag a website to under construction or under maintenance just in a click. And I want to tell you, most website projects I get these days can take a maximum of 14 days, and I'm hands off that project. As I'm winding up, I'm not saying that coding is no longer important. My dear, even in WordPress content management system, things can break up. Things can really necessitate you to go back and tweak some code within WordPress to save the situation. Whereas coding remains a foundation on which WordPress and web development are built, WordPress content management system has eased up and speeded the website development process these days. That's no wonder why today WordPress powers the biggest number of websites globally. By the way, even non-coders can design websites using WordPress. When even we design your website, we teach you how to update and how to add new content by yourself or any staff in your office because of the power and easiness of this content management system of WordPress. Do you like what you've heard here? Please give the thumbs up to this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Senyondo Bashir, Hyperango Digitals. Thank you.